Welcome to your quick and effective home workout. Let's get moving and build strength right where you are. No equipment needed, just your body and a little motivation. Let's begin. Start with jumping jacks to warm up your body and get your heart pumping. Keep those movements light and energetic. Next, drop down for push-ups. Keep your back straight and core engaged. If you're a beginner, try the modified version on your knees. Now it's time for lunges. Step forward, lower slowly, and alternate legs. Feel the burn in your thighs and glutes. Hold a plank to engage your core. Keep your body in a straight line and don't forget to breathe. Grab those water bottles or weights for bicep curls. Lift with control, focusing on the muscles in your arms. Switch gears with a side plank. Balance on one arm, keeping your core tight. Repeat on the other side to even it out. Time for squats. Use a chair for balance if needed. Lower your body as if you're sitting, then push up through your heels. Cool down with a yoga stretch. Flow into a downward dog, lengthening your back and relaxing your body after the workout. And finally, find a comfy spot and close your eyes. Inhale deeply for 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale slowly for 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Repeat. Feel tension leaving with each breath. Let's do it again. Inhale, hold, exhale. Now breathe at your pace, relaxing more with each breath. When ready, gently open your eyes, feeling calm, refreshed, and ready to take on the rest of the day. Great job completing your home workout. Remember to stay consistent and celebrate your progress. See you next time.